Hey there, welcome to a super cool journey where we are exploring pop-up greeting cards. Ever wondered how they are made? Well, get ready to be amazed because it's all about mathematics and creativity. Today, we are going to uncover the secrets behind these awesome cards. From cool shapes to perfect measurements, it's all about mixing math with art. Stay tuned because this journey is going to be epic. Let's make some amazing pop-up cards together. Before that, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Nur Alia Syahirah binti Muhammad Zawawi, and I'm thrilled to be here today to share with you my insights on our coursework presentation for MTES3362, Introduction to Geometry. Before we dive into the heart of the presentation, let me briefly introduce myself. As mentioned, my name is Alia and I'm a dedicated student here at IPG campus Bahasa Melayu. My student index number is 202219234010 and my IC number is 040821030060. Under the guidance of our esteemed lecturer Puan Norlia binti Sulaiman, I have had the privilege of delving deep into the captivating world of geometry, exploring its fundamental principles and application. So, without further ado, let's embark on this intellectual journey together. So, we have 3 points of contents which are introduction, basic technique, used in pop-up card, and 3 mathematical elements. First of all, I will show to you an example of pop-up greeting card. Next, we'll explore the basic technique used in crafting pop-up cards. From simple folds to intricate design, these techniques form the foundation of every stunning pop-up creation. Moreover, we'll focus on 3 key concepts which are numbers and operations, measurements and geometry, and statistics. Now, I would like to show you an example of pop-up greeting card. After that, you can watch a video on how to make triple floating panel card. Enjoy! Now, we are talking about how to make awesome pop-up cards. Let's start with two important folds, which are heel folds and valley folds. Heel fold make things stick out like a little mountain on your card, and valley fold make things sink in, giving your card depth and contrast. But here's the cool part. We can also use a special material called acetate. When we fold acetate like a heel, it adds a neat see-through effects to our card. So, with heel folds, valley folds and acetate, we can make our cards pop in all the right ways. Let's get folding and make something amazing. Now, let's start by breaking down the numbers behind our materials. We have got acetate, card, panel, cute card pouch, toppers, other characters, and paper pads. Each of these items play a crucial role in bringing our pop-up cards to life. We've got 3 acetate sheets for that cool see-through effect, 1 card as our base, and 3 panels to create layers and dimensions. Now, let's talk about those adorable details. We have got 12 cute cat paws to add some charm, along with 1 topper and 3 other characters to give our card personality. And of course, we can't forget about the paper pads. With 6 sheets of paper, we have plenty of room to experiment and bring our creative vision to life. So, when we add up all this number and operation, we get the perfect recipe for crafting our one-of-a-kind pop-up greeting cards. Let's put our math skill to work and create something truly special. Now, we are diving into the fascinating world of operation concept, where numbers come alive and calculation lead the way. First, you are given the measurement in inch, but let's convert them to centimeters because, hey, make knows no bound. We know that 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeters, right? Now, let's estimate the percentage of each color used on the card. We are given the following data, which are blue equal to 70%, black 5%, pink 10%, white 15%. Using some simple mathematics, we can calculate the area of each color section. For example, for blue, it's 70% of 360 degree, which equal to 252 degree. We do the same thing for black, pink, and white. Next, we are going to discuss about mathematical element number 2, which is measurements and geometry concept. Now, let's consider the length of the card, which is 25.4 centimeters. We want to divide this length into 4 equal parts for our design. So, 25.4 centimeters divided by 4 gives us 6.35 centimeters for each part. It has a length of 25.4 centimeters and a width of 17.78 centimeters. To make things easier, we divide it into equal parts, each with a length of 6.35 centimeters. Next, we have our paper pad measuring 16 centimeters in length and 5.334 centimeters in width. This pad provides the canvas for our creative designs. Now, let's not forget about our acetate sheet, which measures 15.24 centimeters in length. We'll fold it at each tip, creating neat angles of 2 centimeters, adding a touch of. Lastly, we have our trusty A4 card, which a width of 2.54 centimeters. Which small in size, it plays a big role in adding details and essence to our design. And let's not overlook the circle with a diameter of 5.334 centimeters, perfect for adding some curve flair to our creations. For geometry, we are going to chat about circles and rectangles. Let's keep it simple and explore these cool geometry bodies together. First, let's talk about circles. The distance from one side to the other going through the middle is called the diameter, and halfway from the center to the edge, that's the radius. Now let's switch gears to rectangles. The longer side is called the length and the shorter side is called the width. Let's move to the other part. We are diving into the world of statistics, where numbers tell us stories and charts help us visualize data. Let's explore how tally tables and pie charts make statistics fun and easy to understand. From the tally table, we have element, tally, and frequency column. Firstly, we have 6 paper pad, 3 panels, and 1 topper. Next, we have 12 KitKat mouse, 3 acetate, and 3 other characters. Now, let's move on to pie charts. It helps us to see how parts of a whole compare to each other. We choose color as an element to visualize in pie chart. We have calculated the accurate angle based on the percentage in operation section before. As you can see, blue is the highest, which is 70% with 252 degree, white 15% with 54 degree, the third one is pink 10% with 36 degree, and the last one is black with 5% and 80 degree. And there you go, we have explored the wonderful world of mathematical element from basic technique to measurement, geometry and statistics. I hope you'll find this journey as exciting and enlightening as I did. Before we part ways, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for joining me on this adventure. If you have any question or want to continue the conversation, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the magic of mathematics.